There has been a lot of controversies hovering around Mielle Organic Mint Rosemary Hair Growth Oil. A lot of people were on the opinion that it doesn't work on a straight hair, it only works on the curly hair. Some say that it actually works, but at the end of the day it pulls your hair away. Some say that it works perfectly on their hair, that the price is kept on increasing day by day. A lot of people admitted that it is completely out of stock. So with all these controversies going on, today we decided to recreate a similar oil that works perfectly on your hair by using their two major ingredients, which is rosemary and mint leaf. If this is the reason why you click on this video, I encourage you to keep on watching. These are our chief ingredients: the rosemary leaves and the mint leaves. So right now I'm going to get them ready for the use. Okay, so guys, I'm going to wash with this vinegar, the white vinegar. This is nothing but water. I'm gonna add some vinegar into it. And salt. Almond oil is the first oil we're going to be measuring here. We're going to be using here. So I'm going to pour out 1 cup of almond oil into my measuring cup. And next oil is extra virgin olive oil. I will also be adding 1 cup to the pot. Now on the stove on a very low heat, we are going to add in our So now we are going to let it sit on a low heat. The heat is so low, okay? We're going to let it boil or let it cook or let it do the magic that it's supposed to do, infuse into the oil for like between 30 minutes to 40 minutes. This is 15 minutes later. The oil is bubbling. Okay, look at the heat, low heat. You can see the leaves are beginning to change color. This shows that the magic is added. Okay, this is 30 minutes later. As you can see, the leaf has changed in color, and now it's a little bit dry. Look at, I don't know if you can feel it, you can hear it, I mean. So we're going to turn down the heat, okay? Turning down the heat now. Then we'll leave it like this to cool down completely before we move to the next step. So now the oil has cooled down completely. I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into this container, my airtight container, okay, and leave it overnight to infuse more. The longer the better, guys. You can leave it as long as you want to infuse, okay? So this my cap is always giving me all the vibe that I need whenever I want to use it, okay? Now let me remind you to please like this video, leave a comment. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel, I beg you to subscribe. Just hit that red button, okay? And don't forget to leave the notification bell on in order to get notified whenever we post our video. Almost 12 a.m. Yes, so I'll just leave it for a couple of hours. In the morning I will drain everything out in the container. That's the final container. Yeah, that makes sense. That's it, guys. So this is our oil. Now I'm going to finish it off by adding our essential oil. Here I have the peppermint oil, okay? This is the mint. It's very great for hair also. Of course, you know, one of our major ingredients here is mint. So this is the oil. Now we're going to be adding some drops of it here. So good. And here we have the tea tree oil, very essential for hair. We're adding a few drops of it. Our oil is set, guys. I'm going to transfer everything into my container that I got from Amazon. Okay guys, here is our final product. This oil could be used as a hot oil treatment, as a pre-poo. It can be used to cure all kind of scalp disease like alopecia, dandruff, itchy scalp. Apply it in your scalp every day. Make sure you scrub it, okay? You can apply it while on braid, on wigs and all. So this is our final product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like, share with your friends so that they can also learn. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do. Make sure you turn on the notification bell icon in order to get notified whenever we post our video.